morning everyone, welcome back to another video. We are back to work. I had a great day off yesterday. Thank you guys for all the well wishes and all the congrats and stuff like that for my wife. Really appreciate that. It was an amazing day for her yesterday. Real great achievement, a long time coming, a lot of work involved. I'm sure some of you know about it. Many years of study and writing and work and sleepless nights and babysitting and all sorts of stuff, but yeah, it's all done now. So yeah, I'm back to work. We are back on the garden house. We've had a lot of deliveries arrive here today, so we're going to try in the next 2 days to get the roof on. Best time now, it's starting to rain a bit now, so we're going to try and get this roof on. So roof panels came this morning. The steel is supposed to be here probably soon. It's supposed to be coming early this morning, the ridge beam. So then we need to get the ridge beam on first so we can get the rafters done, and then we can get some membrane on and get the panels on and so on. So let me just show you guys what the panels look like. So the guy couldn't deliver it on the drive this morning because the cars early this morning, 7:30 in the morning, the cars were blocking the road, so he had to drop the heavier part to sort of off the road. But I was following not far behind, so I said it's fine, drop it here and then we'll pick it up from here. So this is basically what the panels look like. The roofing sheets, they are galvanized metal, quite heavy actually, very heavy, galvanized metal, and they are painted with something called plastico. So it's sort of like a plastic based paint, I think, something like that, hard wearing. So it's finished in, this is a black, and this is what we'll be using on the roof, and we also will be cladding the house with the same stuff as well. I think it's supposed to be 0.7 mil thick, I think, from my memory. And this is what we're going to be using to do the roof and the walls. So we're going to carry these inside first, and then yeah, we're going to try and make a start. So our steel has just arrived, literally just arrived. We got it off the van. So this time we've got a lot lighter steel to deal with, so we can manage this by hand. This is 152 by 152. I think it's 19 kilograms a meter, I think, and we've got about 4 meters. So we've got about about 100 kilograms. So we can manage this, the three of us. As you can see, it's got pre-drilled holes here. It's been primed, pre-drilled. So we've got to screw a piece of timber on the top. We've also got the webbing drilled as well, every meter, because we're going to screw a piece of timber inside the web as well. There's a little interesting part for you guys. This is actually British steel. So British steel does still exist. This is British steel. So we're just carrying the rest of these last roof panels in, and then we're going to get this in and get this up first. Alright, so steel is bolted up. You can see we bolted the top ones on. We bolted this one in the web as well. This is it on the other side. all bolted. So now we need to do some building on the top of this one, and then we could get the rafters. So we got rafters coming off this one, that's down to here, the lower side, and we've got some sort of framing to build up on top here, and then that will be rafters down to that side. Last piece on that side.
Before you go to me like that, we start that cigarette then. Yeah, the wood take shape.
What's that? What kind of you see those metal things outside, like an L, and then on the top of the roof and the other side.
The mountain is high, but we get over. Take my shit and my protect, my defender and my savior. He give my strength and the words. I can't do the Lord, but find me.
Yeah, man. Couple of noggins going in, last of our noggins. Just trying to get these in today. Otherwise, these, we've put a whole row of noggins in here as well. We literally got 2 external rafters to put in, so on the outside of the wall, like sort of ladder on that side, and 2 on the front of the house as well. And then that's it. Then membrane and battens can go on, and then we can start sheeting this.
Right, that's it, guys, for the day. We are finished. Yeah, very productive day. You know how we do, as usual. Hope you guys have enjoyed today's progress, and I'll quickly run through what we've done and what we've got left to do tomorrow, or what tomorrow's schedule is going to be. Yes, Mr. A is happy with his work. Yeah, he's been in charge of this carpentry today. So as you can see, we're nearly there. So the rafters done, noggins. A couple of more noggins, we've already cut them already. We literally ran out of nails. A whole box of nails is finished. So tomorrow we'll run the last of these noggins in. Then we've got some internal block work to do, which is just a few little pieces here on top of that beam there. The internal up there to the ridge. On that side as well, or the gable end, should I say. Once we complete the block work, then we've got some straps like this to put in, so they basically get screwed on top of the rafter, and then they get tucked in behind the brick and screwed to the back of the brick once it's set. So we've got a couple of those. We'll do those tomorrow as well. Once we do that, then that is the framing done. Put the membrane on, batten it, and start putting the sheets on. So that's the plan for tomorrow. So guys, from us all, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let us know what you think. Comments below, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.